Dear teacher, I'm Guan Siyu, and the topic of my graduate thesis is the impact of green finance on carbon emissions, empirical analysis based on Chinese provincial pan data. The whole thesis is divided into 6 parts: abstract, research objective, research questions, methodology, results and discussions, recommendations. Firstly, introduce the relevant background of the topic thesis. Green finance has developed significantly in recent years and has received widespread support at the national level. Green finance not only covers various forms such as green bonds, green investments, and green loans, but also provides the inflow of funds for various environmentally friendly projects. This study mainly analyzes the panel data for 30 Chinese provinces and cities from 2011 to 2021 to deeply explore the impact of green finance on carbon emissions and its potential mechanisms. Next, introduce the second part of the paper for the teachers. Its paper research objectives: 1. Evaluate the relationship between green finance, and carbon emissions. 2. To examine the mediating effect of industrial structure upgrading between green finance and carbon emissions. 3. To investigate the mediating effect of technological innovation in the relationship between green finance and carbon emissions. 4. To examine the heterogeneity of the impact of regional green finance development on carbon emissions. Research questions including the following aspects. 1. Is there a relationship between green finance and carbon emissions? 2. Does the industrial structure upgrading has the mediating effect between green finance and carbon emissions? 3. Does the technological innovation have a mediating effect between green finance and carbon emissions? 4. Is there regional in the development of green finance for carbon emissions? Research methodology is divided to data collection and data pre-processing. Data are from the China Carbon Accounting database. Panel data for 30 provinces from 2011 to 2021, including Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan. Data for Taipei are missing. For energy, we consult the China Energy database. In contrast, for green finance and control variables, we consult province statistical yearbooks. In order to better property the influence of the independent variables on the dependent variable, the 8 independent variables were substantially divided into 4 groups in order, and the least squares estimation was still used to calculate the linear relationship between the changes in the data indicators and CO2 emissions respectively. The results and discussions of the fourth part are divided into 4 parts, mainly talking about green credit card, green security, green insurance, green investment, and the impact of carbon emissions. 1. Green credit card policy may indirectly contribute to the reduction of carbon emissions by affecting the financing environment of environmentally friendly listed companies and the financial pressure on energy-intensive industries. 2. Green security are likely to have a positive impact on reduced CO2 emission by enhancing the market proposition and technology applications of environmental companies and reduced investments in energy-intensive companies. 3. The application of green insurance plays an important role in encouraging the adoption of sustainable practice and technologies in agriculture, which may have a positive impact on reduced global carbon emissions. 4. Green investments, including increased public spending on environmental pollution control and energy efficiency and environmental protection, are likely to have a significant impact on reduced CO2 emissions. Based on the above analysis, the recommendations of the sixth part are explained next. First, improve the institutional norms of green finance and promote the implementation of green finance policies. Second, promote innovation in green finance produced and build a diversified green financial product system. Third, strengthen the collaborative cooperation of multiple subjects in green finance and create a harmonious new economy of green finance. Fourth, we must use green finance to promote urban development and streamline green technology, consumption, and industrial upgrades. The above is my thesis explanation. Thank you for listening.